Hi everyone, happy Ugadi to all the viewers of PMC English. Today's motivational stories episode is different. Today, I am going to tell you about the significance of Ugadi Pachadi in our life. I will tell you all the significance of these 6 different tastes and how it is connected to emotions in our life. So, what are the symbolic tastes of Ugadi? Before we get to know the symbolic taste, it is very important for us to understand what this festival is about. So, my dear friends, this is New Year according to the lunar calendar and it is celebrated in different states with different names. So now let us get into the 6 important ingredients of Ugadi chutney and let me help you to understand what are all the 6 important ingredients in Ugadi Pachadi. What does each ingredient symbolize? Each ingredient denotes different emotions of the life. To say life is all about mixed emotions. While each ingredient is linked to various emotions and aspects of life, you should also know that there are many health benefits for each ingredient. So now let us know and get started to know what each ingredient symbolizes and also the health benefits of it. So starting with chili. The particular ingredient chili is hot and this ingredient symbolizes the anger or the outburst of the life. This doesn't mean that one should encourage this emotion, but it means that life can make a person experience negative situations. One must be aware of such situations and we need to prepare to handle them rather outbursting the negative emotions. Well, the health benefits of the chili is that it fights inflammation. It also helps to clear the congesting of the stuffy nose. And chili can also boost the immunity. Now coming to the next ingredient, that is the tamarind. This ingredient gives sour taste which is significant for the unpleasant experience of the life. Well, every person, they go through unpleasant situations in life as life is always not a bed of roses. It conveys to take all the situations equally. And the health benefits of the tamarind is that it stimulates metabolism and keeps the digestive system strong. Well, the third ingredient is the salt and this ingredient symbolizes fear of the salty taste. We all go through fear of losing wealth, people and materials. The fear of losing health is the only good fear and the rest should not impact us. So, always eat healthy and good food. What we eat is what we are. And the health benefits of salt is that it plays an important role in the thyroid functioning. The fourth ingredient is the main ingredient, that is the mango. This ingredient has tangy taste which denotes unexpected twists and turns in our life. Well, life is full of surprises and this is to convey that we need to take life as it comes and enjoy the pleasant surprises as everything happens for good. And do you know the health benefits of mango? Well, mango helps in maintaining the cholesterol level and it also helps in cleansing the skin, and when eaten, moderation can help to lose the weight. The fifth ingredient is the neem. Well, this ingredient denotes the bitterness in life. Well, you know that life is filled with ups and downs. Look forward for the ups when there is a down. And the health benefits of the neem are one of the best wound healer when the neem paste is dabbed on the wound, and also that the neem helps in treating the skin disorders. Well, the last ingredient is the jaggery. And this ingredient impacts sweetness to indicate the happiness in life. While this is the taste everyone would love to taste, and we also need to understand that life is full of mixed emotions. And do you know that there are health benefits of jaggery too? It helps in preventing constipation. Jaggery detoxifies the liver and purifies the blood, and it can also help in boosting your immunity. So this is how this 6 taste it connects to the different emotions of our life. So let's welcome this 6 taste of life with Ugadi Pachadi on this eve of Ugadi. With this is Aishi Farasi signing off, and I again wish all the viewers of PMC English a happy Ugadi.